Hello, Anna. How
Hi,
are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, Anna, today we have something new. Okay, please tell me 5 facts about dolphin.
Oh, dolphins. Okay.
Yeah.
So dolphins are renowned for their intelligence,
Hmm.
displaying complex behaviors and problem-solving abilities. Like you can say they're smarter than humans.
Oh, that's very
And
nice.
second is that
Okay.
dolphins live in a groups called
Hmm.
pods,
Hmm.
pods, which can consist of new or few individuals to over 1,000. They exhibit strong social bonds and often work together to hunt and protect each other.
It's
And
interesting fact.
yeah,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
so actually, and the third one is that dolphins are carnivorous and
Hmm.
warm-blooded and have a
Hmm. Dolphins. Yeah,
what do you
dolphins.
do?
Yes.
And dolphins communicate using a combination of clicks.
Oh,
So
that's nice.
dolphins can swim at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour.
20 miles per hour. Oh
Yeah,
my God. Even I can't run 20 miles per hour.
can
Next
you
to
run?
impossible for
Can
me.
you run 50 meter?
Yes, while sleeping.
So maybe it's a dream in your dreams. Okay, so dolphins
Hmm.
can speed off up to 20 miles per hour,
Hmm.
32 kilometers per hour. Damn.
Fantastic.
And thanks to their streamlined bodies and powerful tails, if if they're very smart, so smart and unique. So when you're drowning, if there you'd be so lucky if a dolphin is there, they would save you. They would save you.
Really? If I will adopt a dolphin, will she save me?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very nice. So better I will go for a
Do you
life
know how to?
partner. I should have a dolphin. I, I I can adopt a dolphin. Okay. So what is your next question from me?
Okay, I'll ask it next
Mm,
question. It's post.
mm,
It's post. Okay. So my next question is about. Can you
mm.
tell me three common things about dogs?
Dogs are very intelligent, sometimes more than human. They can sniff. Their sniffing power is
Sniffing drugs.
yes, true. And do you know there are around 340 recognized breeds of dogs?
What?
Yeah, and it's worldwide. And
Worldwide.
every breed is unique,
And dogs are also sometimes dangerous, right?
but mostly are highly social animals.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Hmm. And they have a sense of humor.
Yeah. They can smell bloods if you're the owner, and if you're not, you're dead.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, you ask me a next question, okay?
Okay. Okay, can you please tell me some facts about cats?
Okay. Meow.
Hmm.
Meow, 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 meow. Okay, stop it. It's cringe.
Hmm.
Okay, so. Huh? Okay,
Hmm.
so cats were domesticated
Hmm.
around 9,000 years ago. None of us were born.
9,000 years ago.
In
Cats.
the Near East,
Okay.
primarily for controlling
Hmm.
pests like rodents today, they are one of the most popular pets worldwide.
It's very